I'm Katrina Cotton for InvestmentPitch Media. Auxico Resources Canada reports the discovery of platinum group metals and samples from both the company-controlled property in Colombia and its optioned property in Ivory Coast. Founded in 2014 and based in Montreal, Auxico Resources Canada is engaged in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral properties internationally, including coltan and rare earth elements in Colombia, coltan in the Ivory Coast, coltan and manganese in Brazil, gold and silver in Mexico, and coltan in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Today's samples from its property in the department of Vichada, Colombia, were taken within the first meter from the surface, above the rare earth occurrences that the company previously announced, containing a total rare earth oxide content exceeding 50%. The work program on the company-controlled property is continuing with the goal of finalizing a NI 43-101 report. Sample 1 is contained in a high-grade titanium rock sample with 42.85% titanium, 25.44% niobium, and 8.28% tantalum. Sample 2 is found in a different zone on the property, originating from a rock sample containing 30.41% tantalum, 23.30% niobium, and 24.47% titanium. Neither of these samples are concentrates. Samples were analyzed by two independent laboratories in Canada, the Colia in Thetford Mines and Impact Global Solutions in Delson. In addition, Impact Global Solutions conducted ultrasound extraction tests on one of the samples from Ivory Coast. Auxico owns a license to a processing technology based on ultrasound, which has achieved 99% plus recoveries of the PGMs during two one-hour-long leaching stages as shown here. Additional laboratory results on samples from the property in Colombia were the subject of previous news releases. Management cautions that samples shown here were not selected under the supervision of the qualified person, and therefore do not fully comply with the National Instrument 43-101, although the QP has previously selected samples from the same area and achieved very similar results. The samples from Ivory Coast were not under the supervision of the QP and therefore do not comply with NI 43-101. The shares are trading at $1.51. For more information, please visit the company's website, auxicoresources.com. Contact Pierre Gauthier, CEO, at 514-299-0881 or by email at pg@auxicoresources.com. Or Mark Billings, President, at 514-296-1641 or by email at mb@auxicoresources.com. I'm Katrina Cotton for InvestmentPitch Media.